Сердце мое полно веществом, я говорю нет, оно люблю. Моя голова без стоп.
So let's edit on CapCut, guys. Let's choose new project. After new project, choose 9 photos. After that, make sure all photos will have 0.5 seconds.
Take another lie, no excuse or alibi. You're underneath my skin. Treat me like I don't matter. When we talk, we just
After that, let's put some animation. Go to combo and let's look for pendulum. Pendulum 1. Next would be pendulum 2, pendulum 1. Just make alternate for pendulum 1 and 2, guys.
Sweet talker, no shocker. I can handle the ups and the downs. Strange anger, my anchor. If I go with you, I will drown. How do I know if I can trust a boy?
Okay, after that, let's add some video. It's up to you if you will add 2 videos or 1 video and another 1 photo. So for me, I will just add 1 video and another 1 photo. So this video make it 1 second. Okay, after that make it 1 second, also the other one. And then let's go to animation in, and we will use rock vertical, make it full. Next is rock horizontal. So now let's put an audio. If you want to use also my audio, guys, I will just put it in my description. Okay. So let's play.
Сердце мое полно веществом, я говорю нет, оно люблю. Моя голова без стоп.
So that is our basic edit on animations in CapCut.